Is your Fire Stick remote blinking white? Then you are in the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the Fire Stick device. When the Fire Stick is blinking white and not working as expected, then restart the Fire Stick device. Sometimes a fresh restart can fix minor bugs and glitches that can be responsible for the issue. So restart the Fire Stick device and then check if the remote is working as expected. Method 2. Check the remote batteries. Ensure that the batteries in your remote are fresh. The Fire Stick remote uses Bluetooth, draining batteries faster than the standard remotes. Replace the batteries if they are old or depleted. Once you have replaced the batteries, check if this works. Method 3. Move the TV closer. Make sure your TV or monitor is not far away from the remote. Make your remote closer to your device. The devices should be within 10 feet or 3 meters. Method 4. Pair the remote. When the white light blinks on your Fire Stick remote, it mostly suggests that your Fire TV remote isn't paired. Restart your Fire TV device. You should see the "Cannot detect your remote" message on the screen. Once you see the message, press and hold the home button on the remote for 10 seconds to repair it again. Method 5. Reduce interference. Sometimes the connected Bluetooth devices can interfere with the device and cause such issues. Ensure there are no other Bluetooth devices nearby that might interfere with the connection. Turn off any unnecessary Bluetooth devices. Also, ensure that there are no electronic devices, metal objects, or thick walls in between the devices that can interfere with the signal. So remove any object in between the devices and check if that works. Method 6. Use an HDMI extender. If your Fire Stick is plugged directly into the back of your TV, it might be too close to the TV's body, which can interfere with the remote signal. Using an HDMI extender can help position the Fire Stick in a better location. Method 7. Reset the Fire TV remote. The next thing you can do is reset the Fire TV remote. Unplug your Fire TV from the power supply and HDMI input. Then wait 60 seconds. Press and hold the left, menu and back buttons simultaneously for about 12 seconds. Release the buttons and wait 5 seconds. Remove the batteries from your remote. Plug in your Fire TV and wait until you see the screen indicating the remote can't be detected. Reinsert the batteries into your remote. Press the home button. When the LED indicator blinks blue, your remote is paired successfully. If not, press the home button for 10 seconds. Here you need to note that not all remotes have an LED indicator light. To reset the Alexa voice remote first generation, unplug your Fire TV from the power supply and HDMI input, then wait 60 seconds. Press and hold the left and menu buttons simultaneously for 12 seconds. Release the buttons and wait 5 seconds. Remove the batteries from your remote, plug in your Fire TV and wait until you see the screen indicating the remote can't be detected. Reinsert the batteries into your remote. Press the home button on the remote. Your remote should now be paired. If not, press the home button for 10 seconds. Method 8. Use the Fire TV app. If the remote still doesn't work, you can use the Fire TV app on your smartphone as a temporary remote. To use the Fire TV app on your Fire Stick, if your remote isn't working, download the Fire TV app on your smartphone or tablet and connect your mobile device to the same Wi-Fi network as your Fire Stick. Then open the app and select your Fire Stick from the list of available devices to control it using your phone screen. Essentially, your phone becomes a virtual remote for your Fire Stick. If these steps don't resolve the issue, you might need to contact Amazon support for further assistance. And there you have it. The ways to fix the issue when the Fire Stick remote is blinking white. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about the video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.